This is my family story. I know there will be many people affected by the proposed Valley Link transmission lines, and each will have their own story to tell. This one is ours. My husband's grandfather began farming this land in the early 1900s. Before him, it was farmed by another family. This property has been working farmland for well over a century. He raised cattle and crops here, and later, one of his sons continued the work. Eventually, my husband and I purchased the family farm with one hope in mind, that our daughter and her husband might one day continue farming it. That dream became reality. While still in middle school, our daughter began building her herd by showing Simmental cattle and keeping them. Over time, that small beginning grew into something much bigger. Her future husband was doing the same, and when they married, they combined their herds and built a beef production farm together on this land. For nearly 20 years, we have watched that dream grow. Along the way, our family has worked closely with the Natural Resource Conservation Service for over a decade to protect our waterways and grasslands. We have made long-term commitment to conservation, stewardship, and responsible farming practices. This work that has been supported in part through taxpayer-funded conservation programs. Today, our daughter, her husband, and our 2 granddaughters live on this property in a home they built. This is not just property. It is their home, their livelihood, and their future. This land was intended as a legacy for future generations, as our countless acres stretched across the proposed corridor. Our granddaughters are growing up the way children in rural America always have, playing in the backyard, running through the fields, splashing in the creeks, riding horses, helping with the cattle, and learning firsthand what it means to care for the land. This is their childhood. This is how they are being raised, and now we are being asked to accept that they will grow up in the shadow of a massive transmission lines that bring real concern about long-term health impacts and safety. And that will forever change how this land is experienced. And what then? Are we expected to simply sell? Who would buy a farm like this once it's divided and overshadowed? The value of this property, financially and otherwise, will inevitably decline if it hasn't already. This land also holds history and life beyond our family. Near the original home site lies a cemetery where an earlier family laid their loved ones to rest. The property is rich with creeks, lowlands, protected pines, and thriving wildlife: deer, turkeys, foxes, bears, hawks, and songbirds. These fields have been carefully tended for generations. Now, Valley Link, in partnership with Dominion Energy, wants to turn its turn to plow through this land. This time, it would be with 765 kilovolt high voltage transmission lines as part of the proposed Joshua Falls to Yeet project, an unprecedented undertaking in Central Virginia that would permanently alter the footprint of this property and the future of the farm. I cannot stand still and stay quiet while that happens. Rural land is not empty space. It carries history, supports families, protects natural resources, and sustains future generations. Once it is divided and disrupted, it cannot be restored to what it was. While this is my family's story, I know we are not alone. Families, farms, and rural communities all along this proposed corridor are facing the same uncertainty and the same potential loss. We all have a voice, and our voices deserve to be heard, from the quiet, rural communities of Central Virginia to those making the final decisions. I hope those decisions reflect the voices of the people, not just the interests of a corporation. There is a better way than tearing apart land that has given so much for so long. This is our story, and it matters.